I thought it was
Boardwalk vibes.
ice cream, not custard. The
He doesn't
melon.
want to share with me. That's why he's covering them up.
Yeah.
Good. Hey guys, it's not sunny. Beach vlog today. Oh my gosh, that car came up next to me. But we are on my way to see Ethan. Not late this time, but we're gonna have an amazing beach day. Sorry I forgot to vlog my morning. It's fine. Vlog time, day, beach.
Vlogmas.
No, beach day.
Vlogmer.
We going to the beach. I look weird with sunglasses. I don't think I want to do this anymore.
Oh yeah, I like it.
It's like fat. I don't know.
No. You're
Anyway.
not fat. You're
You with
not.
the Ethan.
I didn't take a shower today.
Just kidding. Anyway, stay tuned to see our beach day. You think he would know me, but
I do.
do you hear this?
Hair's not fat. And what's even fat hair?
This is fat hair.
No,
This is thin hair. Why is it? It's not like.
I like it.
And something on my face looks weird too. Like my face is like growing.
Beautifulness.
In the awkward stages. Breakfast time.
Breakfast time.
Yum. Off to the beach.
Beach?
See? Finna get tan. First stop.
Weird stuff.
Nice. Good. Don't look.
Yeah.
Made it to the beach houses. These aren't as great. Made it to the beach. La, 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 la. Hot. My first dolphin sighting.
Look, there it is. Oh, there's more. That breeze is nice and cool.
I can't see it, but I mean, I can in person, but you can't. Anyway, all set up, ready for the beach. I mean, we're here.
Which way is it facing? Oh.
Watermelon time.
Pop the
He
melon.
doesn't want to share with me. That's why he's covering them up.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Into our church. Last moment at the beach. Day beach. Nice. Relax. Kind of. All changed. Well. I got tan and Ethan too.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Kind of. So mission accomplished. Happy and tan. Beach hair. A little messy, but
Feeling a little dirty.
yeah, me too. Oh my. Anyway, now we're gonna go to dinner on the boardwalk.
Miss.
After the boardwalk.
Ooh,
Oh,
these houses aren't nice.
Beautiful. Ice cream. Something.
Smell them. Custard. I thought it was ice cream.
I think custard.
I thought it was ice
Boardwalk
cream. I want
vibes.
ice cream, not custard. Is there a difference?
Wow, how did the heart just come about us?
All good. Ooh, get me all excited.
I love the darkness of looking.
We're hot girl. Put that in the vlog.
The taffy place to be. Fresh taffy, straight from the press. Molasses mint. Good. Nice. Childhood. Wow, I haven't had one of these. Driving home. Okay, I'll fill out my outro here because I always forget. But at the moment, I am feeling a little not well because I had ice cream. And as you know, maybe not, Derry and me, not besties.
Derry and me.
So, yeah, but thanks for watching. If you liked it, what do we say? If you liked it,
Thanks.
keep watching. And if you didn't like it,
Keep watching.
don't keep watching. If you don't like it, bye. Like, what are you doing? Like, we all like different things, so
Yeah, like your own thing.
like your own thing.